Hello everyone, welcome to BRICS Notes. This is Kriti. Today, we are going to explore a futuristic question. What happens when a company no longer operates with a few AI assistants, but with millions of autonomous agents working continuously? A striking statement attributed to Microsoft captures the scale of this shift. More than 60% of our code is already written by AI agents. We are planning to scale it to between 2 and 20 million agents, all running in a loop. Companies are no longer thinking about AI as one chatbot helping one employee. They are beginning to think about AI as a digital operating layer. Imagine a software company launching a new product. Today, a product manager writes requirements, engineers build the code, testers find defects, security teams review risks, operations teams monitor production. In an agent native company, these steps can become one connected loop. A planning agent breaks the goal into tasks, coding agents build components, testing agents search for failures, security agents inspect permissions, deployment agents release approved changes, monitoring agents watch production and send new work back into the loop. The company is no longer running one prompt at a time. It is operating a network of agents that observe, plan, build, test, act, and learn. A traditional company scales by hiring more people and creating more teams. An agent native company may scale by creating digital workers, giving them approved tools, and orchestrating them around outcomes. But millions of agents do not automatically create millions of times more value. They can also create repeated mistakes, security risks, unnecessary tool calls, and uncontrolled costs. One agent making a poor assumption is a problem. 10,000 agents repeating it can become a system wide incident. That is why the future company needs an agent control plane. Every agent needs an identity. Every tool call needs permission. Every important action needs a policy. Every result needs evaluation. Every loop needs a stopping condition. Every high risk decision needs human review. In our recent video about autonomous financial agents, we explained that the goal is not unlimited autonomy. It is controlled autonomy. That principle becomes even more important when companies move from 10 agents to 10 million. The second requirement is trusted context. Agents need to understand the product, customer, architecture, policies, and business definitions. Without shared context, one agent may optimize speed, another may optimize cost, and another may unknowingly break a compliance rule. This connects with our Genie ontology video. Agents do not only need access to data, they need a governed map of what that data means and how business concepts connect. The third change is the human role. Engineers will not simply disappear because agents write more code. Their work moves upward. Humans define the problem, design the architecture, set boundaries, review exceptions, measure outcomes, and decide what should never be automated. The most valuable engineer may be the person who can direct an intelligent system, recognize weak reasoning, and take responsibility for the result. This shift will move beyond software. Marketing agents may test campaigns, finance agents may monitor risk, supply chain agents may adjust plans, data agents may build pipelines and investigate failures. Forward deployed engineers may become even more important because someone must connect these systems to real users and real workflows. Companies may also change what they measure. Lines of code will matter less. The better questions will be: did the agents improve the customer experience, create secure products, and produce decisions the company can explain? The future company may look less like a fixed organization chart and more like a living operating system. Humans set direction. Agents execute. Data provides memory. Policies provide boundaries. Observability provides accountability. Learning loops improve the system. Here is the key lesson. The biggest AI transformation is not that agents can write code. It is that companies are beginning to redesign themselves around intelligent work that never fully stops. The winners will not simply be the companies with the most agents, they will be the companies that give those agents the best context, strongest controls, clearest goals, and most responsible human leadership. That is the central idea behind the context advantage and the practical data and AI learning we share through Bricks Notes. Thank you for watching Bricks Notes. Keep learning, keep building, and keep growing.